Alright, so this is take 2 of the tour since Matt couldn't do it. So there's the Wi-Fi. Gotta have it close because I mean our editing is like kind of insane. You got a piano. I don't know why. Here's my setup. It's actually just like a really shitty laptop. It's called a ThinkPad. Alright, so here's the chair. Here's another chair. And then let's see, we got the goods. Oh, alright, got the goods. Pretty good stuff. And then here's a couple of deer. I shot these. Well, I didn't really shoot them. I actually speared them with my spear. And then I crafted a bow and arrow and shot this baby right through the butthole. Dropped it. One shot. I mean, we got a mini TV here. Yep. And I have no idea what this is. My sister gave it to me. Just has like a babe on the front. And GS 550L. I'm guessing that's like a snowmobile, maybe bike or something. And then yeah, there's a nice painting and
picture of the deer Ryan shot.
yeah, I shot that. I took a picture right before I shot that.
Western.
Anyways, I guess that's the whole tour. And oh, here's a couch, and there should be an Xbox here, but it's not here right now. So this is say bye, Matt.
Goodbye.